Aman's age is 3 times his son's age. 10 years ago, he was 5 times his son's age. Find their present ages. Welcome to Math-o-tropism. So the first step is changing the words into equation. So we have that Aman's age is 3 times his son's age. 10 years ago he was 5 times his son's age. Find their present ages. So this is the clue for the variables. Find their present ages means we need to take the son's age and Aman's age as the variables x and y. But we know that Aman's age is dependent on the son's age. So for easier calculations, I am going to take, let the son's age be x and Aman's age be y. Next we know that Aman's age is 3 times his son's age. So here y is equal to 3 into x, which means it is 3x. Next they have given 10 years ago. So if we have to proceed with the statement, first we need to find what was the age of Aman and his son 10 years ago. We know that if we have to know our age 10 years back, we just subtract 10. So 10 years ago, son's age will be x minus 10, and similarly Aman's age is going to be y minus 10, which is nothing but we know y is 3x, so it will become 3x minus 10. Now we go to the statement. 10 years ago, he was 5 times his son's age. So what is Aman's age now? It is 3x minus 10 and son's age is x minus 10. So it means if we multiply 5 with the son's age 10 years ago, this statement is true. So we will write it as 3x minus 10 is 5 into x minus 10. So when we use distributive property, it comes as 3x minus 10 is 5x minus 50. Now we have changed the words into equation. The next step is to identify the variable terms and constant terms. Here we can see that the variable terms, when we see 5x is on the right hand side and 3x, the smaller variable coefficient is on the left hand side. So to make calculations easier, I will always keep my greater variable towards my left. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to interchange the left hand side and the right hand side. So it becomes 5x minus 50 is 3x minus 10. Now I will identify the variable terms. So here the variable terms are plus 5x and plus 3x, and the constant terms are minus 50 and minus 10. Now next we need to transpose all the variables to the left hand side and constants to the right hand side for solving. So I will take 3x to the left hand side and minus 50 to the right hand side. So it becomes 5x minus 3x is minus 10, and this becomes to that side, it becomes plus 50, because from the steps 4 and 5 we can see that plus becomes minus, minus becomes plus, and we need to apply the opposite of BODMAS to solve. So first the addition part comes. Next what happens, 2x is equal to 40, which means when we take 2 to the right hand side, it will go to division. So x is equal to 40 by 2, which is 20 years. So x is whose age? X is son's age. So Aman's age we know is y is 3x. So y is 3x means y is 3 into 20, which means it is 60 years. Therefore we can write as son's age is 20 years and Aman's age is 60 years. Thank you.